Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to unsend a text from your iPhone. You can do this with the latest update, so let's get started. I'll just use this as an example. I'll text hi and send it. And then I will hold down the text I sent and click Undo Send. And here you will notice that the text dissolves. And your display now reads, "You unsent a message." Now let's go ahead and see what it looks like on the receiving end of the text that you unsent. It shows that the sender unsent a message to you. So they will still know that you wanted to send them something, but you took it back. So I'm going to redo it again, but it's going to be played in real time. And there you have it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell.